Guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, lucky you, we have another beautiful property to show you. This one is in Baia del Carpino in Scalea, but it's not in the city center of Scalea. It's up on the hill overlooking sort of a bluff where you get some of the most spectacular views you have ever seen. The views from Baia del Carpino are really amazing. It's a beautiful area, very desirable, super family friendly, tranquil and quiet, so you don't get all the summer hubbub. It's just a very nice family-oriented area. And this house is absolutely gorgeous. It's 2 beds, 2 bath. It's got a garden in the front and in the back, 90 square meters of living space, completely renovated with spectacular views. And in fact, there is a roof terrace that overlooks all of Scalea, all the way down to Diamante and over to, you can even see Campania and Basilicata all in one view. So you can see Calabria, Campania, and Basilicata just from the roof terrace from this house in Scalea. And in addition to that, there's a beautiful terrace out front where you can spend your evenings, you can have your parties and whatnot. It's absolutely gorgeous. You're gonna love this one. Take a look.